Hello, my friends. This is the prediction for the S&P 500 for the day of Thursday, December 2nd, 2021. The day today is Thanksgiving. It's the 25th of November, 2021. Time is 8:53 p.m. So the theme for this Thursday, the 2nd of December, is going to be, it's going to have a lot to do with a very significant price level. That's the science card. Generally, it's a significator for a very notable price level. And so that's basically what this day is going to be highlighted, what's going to be highlighted in this day. In the pre-market, we have a period of volatility, and there's a fast sudden move higher in the midst of that volatility. But then at the open, there's a sharp decline through at least one notable support level. And then in the first half hour, we have that power card, and the power card is another significator that basically is for a support level. I've got a clairvoyant impression to take some profits there around 950, 955, somewhere right around there. And then we have sideways fluctuation, possibly a little bit of a bearish tone to it between 10 and 11 on roughly. There could also be something environmental related, or possibly like a female leader is highlighted in that hour. Low correlation to the card, the sun card. So roughly between 11 and 12 o'clock, there's a big push off of a low, a big push higher off of a low. And it looks to me like the behavior out of the low is going to be a breakout. So we're going to hit a low and then we'll break out. So there's a big push higher there, and then some sort of some news comes out around 12 to 12:30 in that half hour. News comes out, and there's it looks like an intentional shakeout. So there'll be a dip, but it's really the completion of a trend, and then we push higher from there. So that's like 12 to 1 o'clock hour-ish is going to be a tricky hour. The computers are going to intentionally try to make us be impulsive. They do that all the time, but this will be a notable one, an important one. And then it's possible that we have a day's high there around 115. Yeah, so out of that dip that we have midday, there's a courageous rally between roughly 1 and 2 o'clock. There's a low correlation between 2 and 3 o'clock, but it's also the Princess of Wands, which basically is an opportunity to open some short positions. Interesting. Okay. You see what this next day looks like. Yeah, so it's open some short positions, and it may seem like a bad idea at the end of the day, but that's going to help out the following day. So I'll be opening some short positions, or I should say I'll be opening up some puts. And then in the last hour, there's going to be a move to the upside as part of this opportunity. So it's the last 2 hours, there's really a move higher. But in the last hour, there is, and this is off of a low, there's a notable resistance level that becomes support. Revisit an opportunity in the last, right around the close. Generally speaking, the Queen of Discs is a support level that we revisit, like a notable moment where there was an opportunity, and then we revisit that price level. So that may be possible there at the end of the day. It looks like we've got 3 low correlations and nothing correlated to the high, which is the Ruin card. So it's kind of like nullified. We have a lot of moving higher. When I look at the overview on the month chart, it's the Love card. So we have first off, we have a local low on the overview. Each of these low correlators is also correlated to a trade opportunity. And that would make sense because the low card is also correlated to trade opportunity. The trade card is also correlated to low. And so at these lows, what I'll do is I'll be buying calls. And I think probably why the Ruin card in the high position is nullified is because like we come back from those falls. It's possible. That's conjecture. I'll have to see when we get there. But the final hour or the post market, we have a push to the upside. It's generally a Prince of Wands. Something happens that really excites the market and move higher. But I will also buy those puts roughly in the last 2 hours because the following day I'll have an opportunity. I'll have an opportunity to sell those. All right, guys, that's Thursday, December 2nd, 2021. Hope it's been helpful. I know these things have been helping a lot of people. So let me know how it's helping you. If you got a special strategy that you use, there's a specific way that you implement this information that works for you. Love to hear about it because this information can be used so many different ways for so many different styles of trading. I'm sure there's people who've got their own unique stuff. I'd love to hear about it, guys. It's really cool and interesting to me. Anyhow, if you like this, like at the bottom of the screen, subscribe, share this with your friends. Let's get the word out about this so we can really even out the playing field against the computers. Take care, guys. Blessings.